Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm just finishing up this little Murray wagon and I had to do a couple things differently in order to get the wheels aligned. So I'll make this video about that. Nothing really new going on up front. This is all stuff you've seen before if you're not new to this channel. Because of the curves at the front and the back of this wagon, it was a little bit challenging to get the wheels aligned relative to each other in the wagon tub. Typically I'll just clamp wood at the back of the wagon and that gives me a straight line to align the wheels. In this case, I had to use the holes in the wagon tub in order to get the wood in there. And I'm making the assumption that whoever drilled these holes from the factory had them straight, but we're not sending anything to the moon, so it really shouldn't matter in our case. And this gives me a good straight line. I know the wheels are aligned relative to each other and the wagon tub. And now I can reinforce the brackets. I don't know that I've ever shown the caster in this step before, so this is what I use for the front end steering bearing. I take an industrial caster, pop the wheel out of it, cut the ears off, and then I just weld it to the front end frame horn thing. I use the holes in the frame horn to make sure it's centered. Now that I got the wheels on, I can take a look at it, see where it's at, figure out the spacing. So again, I use wood against the body to set the spacing, make sure the wheels are in line relative to the body. Now I can load test it. I'll get this all finished up, add the little details, extend the handle, all that good stuff. But I have been adding some stuff to the other Murray, the little pedal car wagon. So I added a basket to the handle. I also put a seat inside of it. Upholstered that little seat and put it in there. And I was digging through the shop and I found this really cool little lap belt that I think would look really cool in there. And I also found a little mirror that I want to use as like a backup mirror because I like the shape. Little reflectors are cool. Put it something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But alright, with that, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos. I'll keep making these little wagons, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.